Namaste to my every friends all around the world. Today I am going to make this video, and this is the video for the Shiva, because now this is the month. It is the very holy and very special month, and it's called the month of Shiva. In Hindi it's also called the month of Sawan, because Sawan month is the fifth month according to Hindu calendar, and in the common language this month it's called Sawan. And Sawan is started on the 6th July, and it will be finished in the 3rd of August. The natural environment in this time is very pleasant. This month there is greenery and bright, and the weather it's like the rainy season all around. It's a very holy month and dedicated to Lord Shiva. This month is rainy with the blessing of God Indra. Probably you know that God Indra, he is the god of rain, and it gives relief in the heat, and every single day of Sawan month has special signification according to astrology. As you know that every Hindu festival it's giving the astrology result. So in this, sun transits in its zodiac lion, which affects its 12 zodiac sign. Firstly, I want to tell you that why we are celebrating this festival. It's a few very famous mythological stories, but I am going to tell you the important one. The king Daksha, according to Hindu mythology, the king Daksha's daughter Sati gave up her life and lived a cursed life for many years, after which she was born as Parvati, the home of the Himalayas. Parvati meditated hard throughout the month of Savana, that means in the month of July, to get Lord Shiva as her husband, as a result of which Lord Shiva fulfilled the wish of Parvati. Due to meeting his love, Lord Shiva's favorite month of Shavana, that is Diwali. This month, unmarried girls pray to Shiva for good life, good partner or good husband. Married women keep fast and celebrate the festival of Savana for getting good fortune. According of mythology, in the month of Sawan, Lord Shiva visited on the earth, and he has visited his in-laws, that means the house of Parvati, where he was welcomed by consecration, and hence Abhishek has a special signification in this month. Abhishek, it means to taking the Shiva Linga. Probably you have looked the Shiva Linga. On the top of the Shiva Linga, it's giving offering water, Ganga water, sugar cane, milk, be offering. That's we call Abhishek. And this happened because in this month Lord Shiva came in the house of his wife, that means Parvati's house. That times they have given a welcome to Shiva, this reason. And one another story also I want to share with you. According to another mythology, the sea churning between gods and ghosts took place in the month of Savana. 14 gems came out in the sea churning. One of this was very poisonous, says that it could have destroyed the world In order to protect the world, God Shiva lifted the poisons around his neck, due to which his throat turned the blue. Therefore, Lord Shiva also called Neelkantha. Neelkant, Neel means blue and Kant it means throat. In order to save the world. Through this great work, certain people worship Shiva in this month of Shravana. People offer water to Shiva and keep fast on every Monday of the month of Savana. So Savana it's a very holy month, and in this month people they are praying, chanting the mantra, all the holy work it's going to start in this month. Very powerful, very holy month, and especially in Varanasi, as you know that Varanasi is the city of Shiva. Here every 10 meters distance you can see the Shiva Linga, small or big one. So it's one a big festival for Varanasi also. It's a fully celebration now, but COVID is affecting. So that's reason we are celebrating in the home. So it is very holy, very powerful month, and if you chanting, even if you chanting Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, very simply just chanting Om Namah Shivaya. If you will chanting, you will feel the energy, you will get the blessing, you will feel the power of Lord Shiva. So this is the importance of this month. It's called Shravana, and in this month few festival is celebrating, like we can see in the first festival it will come at 20 July, 20 of July. It's called for greeny dark night. That's in Hindi it's called the Haryali Amavasya. After that next one it will come 23rd July, and that's called Tej. It's celebrating by the married women for happy and wellness life. After that 25th July it's the festival, it's called the Nag Panchami. Nag Panchami, it's the meaning is the festival of snakes. Like it's playing the snakes, people they offering to snakes to milk. So this is the festival. Then after next one it's on 30th of July. That's one called the festival of Savan Putrada Ekadashi. It means this is a festival for the sun. Sun, it means every mother, they keeping the fast, they chanting, they praying for Shiva for wellness and happiness for their boy or son. Then after the last one festival, it will be Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan, it is the festival of brother and sister. When sister offering, how call in English, when sister offering like the banding, like the hands, like bands, a different type of design when banding, and brother giving in other hand some sweets, some gifts, some present to the sister. So this festival it's called Raksha Bandhan. So this is the final day for the Shiva's month, and it will be over at 3rd of August. So thank you my friend, thank you for watching it. Please follow me in Instagram, please share it also same time, and also if you will see us in YouTube channel, subscribe, share and like, and keep on your blessing, love and support for here. Thank you. Oh.